Good morning, everyone. We're here in Vantage, Washington, where we set up camp last night after driving through a winter storm. Luckily for us, once we got to camp, the snow stopped coming down and there was very little wind, so that was nice. I guess the reason we're out here is because we wanted to get a head start on a Rigs and Adventure group trip out to the Moses Lake sand dunes. If you're not familiar with Rigs and Adventure, they're an off-roading group geared for, I guess, drivers of all skill levels. They organize group trips as well as group meetups and a bunch of other, I guess, courses and stuff like that. So they're pretty great. I'm gonna drop the link to their group in the description below, so check that out. But it's time for us to pack up, so I'll see you all in a bit.
Perfect.
Alright, so wanted to do a shout out to the Rigs and Adventures members that went out on this trip. Had a great time at the sand dunes, and also wanted to do a special shout out to Matt and Blake for organizing this trip. Well, that wraps up this trip. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a good one.